This paragraph must be formatted in the same way as the question paper. Borders and shading, no border, no border. A border of 6 points on the left and the right. The section under reviews must be copied, Ctrl+C, to a new Word document, Ctrl+V, and it must be saved as a document with the file extension doc and must be called reviews info. Let me close it and go back to this document. Now here, I must make sure that this text never wraps over 2 lines. Show hide. Select the area between, Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar. There. Select the area between, Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar. There. Select the area between, Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar, and now it will not wrap over 2 lines. Scroll down. This image, the text must be visible. The text must wrap on the left. There. Close. This needs a caption. Right-click. Insert caption. Just picked up at the number 2 because the previous caption was example 1. It is called Cartoon on Spam. The section needs a citation, references, insert citation. That is the citation it requires. Scroll down. The section here needs to have the tabs adjusted. I'm going to go Home, Show Hide. The tabs need to be 2, 7, 12. I'm going to delete that tab, clear it, and set the tab to right aligned. I need a tab, clear, need a tab of 7 to be centered, set. And the tab of 12 is left aligned, correct. That is how it should be. Now, I need to edit a source. References, manage sources, edit. And I need to edit that source. I need to add the publisher. And the publisher is Random House Group. Close. Now I need to insert an automatic bibliography. Bibliography, insert bibliography. There it is. I don't need the show hide anymore. Now here we have a table. I need to vertically align the entries in the first column. Layout, vertically center them. And I need to sort the table, select the whole table, and to sort the table by the first column. App has a header row. Ascending order. Correct. Now I need to change the margins of page 9, which is this page, only this page, so that everything will fit onto the page. Now there is a page break there. Right, let me go to this page. The page that I need to adjust. I need to change the margins, layout, margins, custom margin. I'm going to make the top and the bottom margin each a centimeter, and I'm going to have it this section because we're working on this section. And there is a page break there. Notice it's now on one page. Now I'm going to go to the beginning of the document because I need to insert a table of contents, and it needs to go there. To do that, I can go to References. Do I need the show height? No, it's in the way. References, table of contents. Now, because I need only one level, I'm going to go there to Custom Table of Contents. One level. There, it has been inserted. Document is finished and ready.